welcome back. I am so excited because today I'm gonna do what a bunch of people have been asking me for on my Instagram. If you are not on my Instagram, go ahead and find me. I'm at beyond.survival.mom, and I actually just changed my handle from my personal to reflect that I am Beyond Survival Mom, because that's who I am and that's what my passion's about. I've had tons of people message me because a lot of the times in my Instagram stories I ask, what do you want me to talk about? What do you want me to do? And I've had so many requests this that I thought, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you what I do. Today I'm gonna show you my clean out of my fridge, my grocery load, and loading up my fridge and what it looks like after, especially with all this healthy food. If you've been on my Instagram, you would know I have now lost 50 pounds since having my baby in, let's see, what has it been? 3 months? Yeah, oh my gosh, that's crazy. People have been wanting to see kind of my fridge setup and what it looks like. And don't you worry, I am going to do like a little mini series on how I lost my weight. I don't sell anything. I'm not gonna be trying to get you to buy stuff. I'm just gonna tell you what it was like on my journey and what I did to kind of change my mindset and lose this weight. I really am excited to show you my fridge. I'm gonna be really honest, my fridge is really dirty inside. But that's why I do a once a week clean up and wipe down of it, so then I don't feel so bad that it gets that dirty, because everything gets dirty. We have children. Speaking of, I'm gonna go get this going so I can have all my groceries finally put away. Here's kind of a before of my fridge. We were super low on like everything, but here is the before. And usually what I do is I take a bunch out, wipe everything down, and then put things back in the correct place so it's organized. And the freezer I just kind of clean up and wipe down because they just get messy. I think it's just because they're used so much. everything laid out so you can kind of see what I have before I put it away, but I do put things in groups, so like all the fridge stuff is close to the fridge. Makes perfect sense, right? The cans are close to where they would go in the pantry, and then these are bathroom things that are close to my bathroom, and then these are dry goods, which will go in the cabinet over here. Top of our fridge is pretty clean, but it's because usually that's where leftovers go. Like this was dinner from last night, so we still have some leftovers. Then we have our eggs here, blueberries here, cheese drawer. This just has cheese in it. This is stuff to use immediately because it's still stuff from last week. And this is snacks for the kids to grab. We got lettuce. In here, I keep the fruit, and the reason I have one that's not see-through is number one, my kids would eat all this fruit, and number two, to put things behind it. And then we got all the veggies. I try to put it in a way like I stacked things up and then put things in a way so I can actually get to it, like I can actually like see what's in here so it doesn't get hidden. And here is, I just put meat in this drawer. So even when I thaw out meat, I put it in here. Here is usually where I keep the almond milk and usually my almond creamer, but they didn't have any. It was so strange. Anyway, so that's where I keep that. And then I usually keep the bottles I pump up here. Here, I keep all the sides or accessories. And then here is all the salad dressings. And then here is my addiction of drink of choice. Also, the chickens love clean out fridge day because everything that needs to be cleaned goes into the chicken food bowl, and then I usually end up with dishes I gotta do after. But okay, so we have snacks up here. Oh, it always looks so beautiful. And then I swear it's gone, like so fast. And then if you didn't notice, we have a million different types of bread. Jaron eats a different type of bread. The kids eat a different type of bread, and I eat a different type of bread. And then I also keep my bananas and avocados out here. I'm in the middle of recording a video. Yes. So.
I can see. Hi. God.
Yeah. And so stick around for some bonus features. I've got some extra special bonus features at the end of this video. Yeah, babe?
Apple juice.
I don't have, oh, this juice?
Apple juice.
I don't have apple juice, honey. That's all we have.
You make them out apples.
What, you want me to go squeeze the apples?
Yeah.
Honey.
That makes apple juice.
Oh my gosh. Honey, I don't, that's not really how apple juice is made.
Let's give me my dad juice.
Just to see if you like some outtakes. That's my fridge. I hope you enjoyed the bonus features, and we will see you guys again soon.